Hey everybody, today we are going to be making a couple cute jewelry pieces, mainly showcasing these items from the Pandahall selected website. If you didn't see my previous video, I'm doing a collab with them, so they sent me a few goodies for free to review and show you guys. Make sure to check out my previous video showing me unboxing and reviewing each item I got. But let's just get right into these three jewelry pieces. So the pliers I'm going to be using are the Pandahall selected pliers. These and all the other Pandahall stuff I will be using will be linked in the description box. There will also be a coupon code for you guys and just a general link to the website. And then we're gonna make earrings. So I have earring hooks and jump rings that are from a different store. So there's our first cute little pair of earrings. Next one's gonna be super easy. Don't even need tools. So for this one, the item I got from Pandahall selected is the crystal cages. These things, super good. Off camera, I was putting a few different crystals in here just to figure out sizing and everything. They're easy to get in. They're kind of hard to get out, but that's a good thing so that they don't fall out. Like, yes, you can get them out if you want to switch out your crystals, but I highly doubt they'd ever fall out, as well as, since they're kind of hard to get out, I had to like pull them all the way open like that to get the crystal out, and they retain their shape amazingly. And then this cord, I actually bought myself from Pandahall like last month. I have a haul video for that as well. And then this is just a little round crystal I found in some of my beading stuff. This is so cute. I'm so excited to be able to wear my crystals as jewelry. It's also great because it's not permanent, so you're not wire wrapping anything. You can take it out, switch it out, do a different one every day. Our last piece of jewelry is going to be earrings, similar to the bees. And there are little rainbow earrings. Overall, I really liked the products I used in this video from Pandahall selected. The cage and these charms and these pliers. I definitely recommend checking out their site. Even if you don't do jewelry, they have a whole bunch of different crafting stuff on there at really good prices. So you honestly can't beat it. Good prices, good quality, you can get bulk stuff if you sell. Overall, super good deal. But that is it for this video. Make sure to be on the lookout for my next video that's gonna feature some other Pandahall selected products. So subscribe to see that. Like this video if you liked any of these items, and tell me in the comments down below what type of crystal you would put in a crystal cage. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.